Congratulations on your new ROAMfilter Plus. Follow this operation guide to set up the system for access to clean drinking water. First, take your new ROAMfilter Plus out of the box and familiarize yourself with the parts of the ROAMfilter Plus. The box should contain 1 ROAMfilter Plus, 1 tap accessory pack, 1 thread seal tape, 1 filter wrench, 1 pre-filter, 1 circlip plier, 1 0.3 by 15 mm short hose, 1 0.2 by 25 mm short hose, 1 3.5 by 15 mm long hose. Now remove the 3 filter plugs from the ROAMfilter Plus. They can be found at the drain valve, front tap, inlet hose connector. Next, screw the front tap into the filter cartridge and screw the drain valve into the top assembly. Side note: ensure that the black O-ring for both parts are flushed. This indicates that they are tight enough so that air and water will not leak. Do not continue tightening the tap once the black O-ring is flushed. Over-tightening the accessories can cause deformation of the accessory, creating air and water leaks. In cases where the front tap and/or drain valve are facing the wrong way, even after the black O-ring is flushed, apply thread seal tape to the threads by rotating it in an anti-clockwise direction, while keeping the seal tape in position. Now you can screw the respective parts in again until the black O-ring is flushed. Similarly, screw the inlet hose connector into the bottom assembly until the black O-ring is flushed. Finally, connect the long hose to the inlet hose connector. We highly recommend that you use the hose strainer to prevent large debris from entering the system through the long hose in the water source. You can now place the long hose with the hose strainer into the water source. Connect the short hose to the front tap before proceeding to the drain valve. Now that you are done setting up the system, you can start priming the filter. Ensure that the short hose at the drain valve is not angled towards your body or legs. First, close the front tap. Then open the drain valve. You will see that the drain valve is now parallel to the short hose. Pump the piston 15 times to remove airlock in the system. Unfiltered water will be flushed through the drain valve. Do not drink this water as it is not filtered. Next, close the drain valve and open the front tap. Pump the piston slowly for clean drinking water to be filtered out through the front tap. For a first-time operation, the first 4 liter, about 15 pumps of filtered water might taste sweet due to the food-grade preservative added to the membranes. Just dispose of the first 4 liter before using the filtered water for drinking. After this simple setup, the ROAMfilter Plus is ready for use. Now it's time to enjoy your clean drinking water.